Myself Divya MAURYA. I'm from Goregaon Transit Camp MPS English School, studying in 7th standard. Today I'm going to read lesson number 4.6 of English subject. Page number 99. Lesson number 4.6, Papa Panov's Special Christmas. It was Christmas Eve and although it was still afternoon, lights had begun to appear in the shops and houses of the little Russian village. For the short winter day was nearly over. Excited children scurried indoors and only muffles of sound, chatter and laughter escaped from closed shutters. Old Papa Panov, the village shoemaker, stepped outside the shop to take one last look around. The sound of happiness, the bright lights and the faint but delicious smell was cooking reminded him of past Christmas times when his wife had still been alive and his own children little. Now they had gone. His usually cheerful face with the little laughter wrinkles behind the still spectacles looked sad now, but he went back indoors with a firm steps, put up the shutters and set a pot of coffee to heat on the charcoal stove. Then, with a sigh, he settled in his big armchair. Papa Panov did not often read, but tonight he pulled down the Bible, slowly tracing the lines with one forefinger. He read again the Christmas story. He read how Mary and Joseph, tired by the journey to Bethlehem, found no room for them at the inn, so that Mary's little baby was born in the cowshed. Oh dear, exclaimed Papa Panov. If only they had come here, I would have given them my bed and I could have covered the baby with my patchwork quilt to keep him warm. He read on about the wise men who had come to see the baby Jesus, bringing him splendid gifts. Papa Panov's face fell. I have no gifts that I could give him, he thought sadly. Then his face brightened. He put down the Bible, got up the stretch and armchair, self high up in his big little room. He took down a small dusty box and opened it. Inside was a perfect pair of tiny leather shoes. Papa Panov smiled with satisfaction. Yes, they were good as he had remembered, but the best shoes I had ever made. I should give him, he decided as he gently put away and sat down. He was feeling tired now, and